secularism refers to, your options are citizenship, multi-religious society, women empowerment, separation of religion and politics. Secularism.
B. Multi-religious society.
Multi-religious society. Tinan changani. Adikem oh han ente ang multi-religious society.
Oh.
Ay adik laut separation of religion and politics ani. Secularism chu sakwana le politics chung chang soina ni ta. India te Mizoram po ania is a secular state continue. Sakho zalen na TP ala makhan om zet phuk deu ala nei ni ngei turani. Let we go to jet han kima in zona. The Indian party system happens to be a single party system, two party system, multi-party system, three party system.
Multi-party system.
Multi-party system. Let's see if that answer is correct. 2, 1, 2, 3 le multi oma multi tinan chang. And the points off. Aboro ka chang chho don khop mai. An point kha ka lo bel ru dewa ka riat chin chin ahan an la in tlukin ka ring rutlat maya. Enge din hun chu kan shelawa amaro chu hun rei lo te a kan shedonia le DOEACC sin zo na ve thung le. The two cities in A Tale of Two Cities are London and Paris, Vienna, Rome, Geneva. Choice pali ne second nga in la ne.
Paris.
Paris. Nile Paris kan nilo ta se pathum jing khan nge in larin deu. Shetong lo ha Rome mo. Paris tin an changa Rome ni ta se po yan ti om mang o ai lo pon Vienna tro adikem lo enang Paris ka adik points off. A Tale of Two Cities ka a French Revolution hun live el ni ka seta ka riat solo chon Paris le London in kara thil thengvel ni ngei turani BA a khan thok khan lai khan an zir thin ning ka ria le we go to Jethan Kima. Which book is often referred to as the good book? Options are Quran, Bible, Bhagavad Gita, dictionary.
B. Bible.
B. Bible. Dikang oh entinang Bible an sang adik points off. Alamak mal ve oh